It's a simple change, and it helps make your website look cleaner and more professional. First, log into your Shopify dashboard. On the left-hand side, click on Online Store, then select Themes. Make sure you're working on your active theme. That's the one currently live on your website. This ensures any changes you make will actually show up on your store. Next, click on the Actions drop-down menu beside your active theme and select Edit Languages. This is where you can customize or change any text that appears across your site. In the search bar at the top, type in the word Powered. Shopify will show all the instances where the phrase Powered by Shopify appears. Now, click on the text box that says Powered by Shopify, delete the words, and instead just type a single space. That's the trick, by adding a blank space. The tagline disappears completely from your footer. Once you're done, don't forget to hit Save in the top right corner. Your changes will be applied immediately, and when you refresh your website, that Powered by Shopify line will be gone. And that's it. You've successfully removed the Shopify branding from your store's footer. It's a small detail, but it gives your site a much more custom, professional look. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out my other Shopify tutorials for more quick tips on how to customize and optimize your online store.